Hello everyone, it is me Chris, and in this video we're doing something just a little bit different. I'm going to be doing an unboxing today. This is the IOGear 4-port HDMI switch. I needed it because I have a number of consoles right now hooked up in just outside, and basically all the HDMI ports are pretty much full and I want to add another console, you know, and so I decided to get a switch so that I can add more, and I think it's going to just be a lot easier than I can just pick one console, just switch over. So here we go. This is the IOGear 4-port HDMI switch. I picked it up from Fry's Electronics today for about $30. It says right here, looking at the box, connect up to 4 HDMI devices in a single input to your HD display. Pretty good. And here's the back. Nothing too special. So let's go ahead and open up. I'm doing this with one hand, so yeah, it's not going to be as easy as you might think. So go ahead and just bear with me if I can get it open with one hand. Oh, here we go. Yeah, it is whenever I'm holding it with one hand. And there we go. So let's just go ahead and pull it out. Yeah. What do we have? We have a remote control. This is the remote control. You can actually basically input select, or you can press 1, 2, 3, and 4, whichever you want to pick. And here is the device itself. Input 1 is here. And these 4 are for your whichever is selected. You can select it with this button. And on the back you have input 2, 3, 4, and an output. And this is interesting. You can actually hook up, I guess, a micro USB and power it up that way if you want. But from what I understand, this actually is designed to be powered by the HDMI, well, by the consoles or whatever you're hooking up themselves. You can get power through that, so you don't really need an AC adapter, but you can power it that way. But that's pretty much it. I mean, it's oh wait, looking inside, yeah, I thought there was something in here. Oh, you got a quick start, and you have your quick start guide. And it just shows you how to connect it. Not too much because it's pretty simple. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Please be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.